Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Super excited because we're going to get into my latest picks from Armoire. If you're new, I'm Laura. This fuzzy body here is Wyatt. We're so happy you're here. We hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Armoire is a premium rental clothing service. It's so good. If you haven't tried it, you probably should. This is your outlet to get all of those high-end pieces at an affordable price and to keep a revolving closet that you never have to clean, no washing. You don't have to clog up your closet with it. You can continuously have this influx of really cool pieces. And whatever you need, whether it's athleisure, vacation, pregnancy, cruise, they've got it all. Everything from the most casual to the most dressy. And the prices range from about $80 up into the $500. They have it all. And they have 3 options, so you're sure to get a package that works the best for you. Before I explain all of the options, let's dig into my box or my bag. So I'm in what they call the unlimited plan, which means that I get 6 items per month and I can swap them out during the month. So that one is the most expensive plan, but it does allow you a little bit more flexibility if you need it, so that you always have clothes going on. And you can choose the pieces yourself. There is so much on the site, so many brands. Name a brand, they have it. You can either pick them, or if you're not sure and you want help, you can ask your stylist to do it, or you can do a mix of both. You could start and pick a couple pieces and then have a stylist add the rest. It's all up to you. All right, let's do this. All right, so when I open my bag, I have a label to return everything. So you keep the bag, put the label right on it. Then when you're done, you can just throw them back in the bag and ship them back. And they do go FedEx. And then I have my bundles we're going to get into here. And if you decide you cannot part with an item, then you can keep it. So it's discounted. It's not at the full price. So I will go through all of that with you and share. Let's do my first item, which is by Tart. This is such a cute little vest. Check this out. So this is the Faux Fur Sleeveless Brent vest. I love this. It's not bulky. It is a thin layer. It is super cute. I actually think that it might be reversible. Yeah, I think, yes, there's a pocket in here. So yes, it's reversible too. Is that not adorable? I love that. Okay, next up, jeans. These are the Levi. Are they this? Yeah, this pair is by Levi, and it is the Wedgie straight high-rise jean. And they were doing a special where if you wanted to get an extra size because you weren't sure what your size was, you could do that. So I actually have 2 pair of them. One's in my normal size, 26, and one's in the next size up, 27, because they had 0 stretch and I was really unsure about it. So I love that they're doing that. They sent me both sizes. So this is super cute. I don't have many Levi's, so I was excited to try them. Okay. So it looks like I have 7 items in here this time because of that. I love that they're doing that. But sometimes you really don't know what size you need. Next up, how about some color? I've realized that I have not, and this is the only colorful item in my collection again. So winter, I've not been picking a lot of color. I thought this was gorgeous. It's by A.L.C. Gonna have to try to get some of the wrinkles out of this one, throw it in the dryer for just a little bit. But isn't that color so pretty? It really pops. It's lined. It's like a nice weight. And it is called the Dakota Single Breasted Jacket by A.L.C. All right, we have a few more items here. Next up, this adorable little crop jacket is called the Cropped Ponte Blazer. If I can talk, it's by Nora Gardner. I thought that was adorable. Isn't that cute? And it is fully lined. Okay. Then I have the Reiss Alexia Wool Blend Blazer. And keep in mind, you don't have to wash any of these. It goes through a very special cleansing process once they get them back. So you wear them as if they're yours, and then send them back to be cleaned. How cute is this with the lapel, the dressy lapel like that? I love that. The sequins. So adorable. And it even has it on the inside. Isn't that adorable? All right, we're going to see when I get it on. And then my last item is another pair of jeans. These are by Good American. They're the Good Classic Slim Straight in this black wash. All right. I'm excited to try these on for you. Before I do, let me just quickly run through your case options. So, like I mentioned, I do the unlimited case, which means that I get the 6 items. If I wear 3 of these and want 3 more, or I wear the Levi's and I knew which size they were and I want to send those 2 jeans back and get 2 more, I can do that throughout the month. That cost $249 a month. So you basically can get unlimited clothes. Amazing, right? Like you don't need to shop anymore. You just need to have clothes sent to you. $249 a month. If you want to sign up and you use my link, which I'll put down below, you'll get your first case half off, plus you get 2 bonus items. So instead of 6 items, you'll get 8 items. So that brings it down to $124.50 for your first month. But if that's too much, you don't need all that. Maybe you work from home, you just like to have some nice weekend pieces, you can choose the 7-item capsule. The 7-item capsule does not have a swap option. So you get 7 items for the month, wear them as much as you want, and then return them 7 more items for the next month. That one is $119 a month. Use my link, you'll get 35% off. The first month will be $77.35, plus you get 2 bonus items. Again, too much? They have a 4-item capsule, so you can get 4 really cool pieces that you could wear for the month. It works the same as the 7-item capsule. If you want to give that one a try, it's $89 a month. Use my link, get 25% off your first month. It'll bring it down to $66.75, plus you get those 2 extra bonus items. All right, let's try on my pieces and see how I did. These were all my picks, so I didn't use a stylist. I've used a stylist. I've used half and half. The last few times I've been picking myself because they've had so many great pieces that I haven't had a hard time picking pieces at all. First outfit, I have on the Levi's and that bright color jacket. Had to start with a bright, right? Okay, so I grabbed the size 27 first and put those on and love them. So I'm not even going to try on the 26. These feel really good. They are 100% cotton. There is 0 stretch in these. They have a button fly. They're hitting me right at my ankle bone, which I love. And I think they're super cute. Let me know what you guys think. I just did a front tuck. I'm wearing the shirt. Since I have all jackets and jeans, we're just going to leave the black shirt on that I had to start the video. Yeah, I like these. I love trying brands I don't have in my closet, and I believe I own 1 pair of Levi's, so this is fun to try. This has the flappy pockets, fully lined. Buttons here at the sleeve, but you could also cuff it if you wanted. I think that would be cute. And it's this color pops. It looks nice with the black. I just picked a gold shoe for this try-on just because it'll go with everything and dress it up a little bit. Yeah, I like this. Let me know what you think. All right, let's see if I wanted to keep these. The A.L.C. Dakota single-breasted jacket retails for $695. I love that I can wear pieces that have that kind of price tag and not pay that. If I wanted to keep it, I would get 55% off. $313 would be my price. I am wearing a size 0 in this one. For the Levi's, the Wedgie straight high-rise jean, as I mentioned, I'm wearing the 27. They retail for $130. If I wanted to keep them, they would be 23% off at $100. Next up is the Faux Fur Sleeveless Brent vest. How adorable is this with the satin trim? And then this really soft fur pockets. And then it is reversible. I'll show you both sides. I have the same jeans on. So cute, right? I love this. Let's see what it looks like zipper, just so you have a chance to see that. Yeah, this is so fun. This will be perfect too as it starts to hopefully warm up a bit, and you don't need all the bulky layers, but you do need something to keep you warm. This would be perfect. All right, let me see this. Yeah, how cute is this? Little fur trim, the collar at the bottom. This is adorable. I like this. Here's what it looks like zipped up on this side. Pockets. It's so warm with the fur on the inside. I really like that. Very cute. All right, the faux fur sleeveless Brent vest retails for $194, and if I want to keep it, 42% off at $113. This is adorable. I might want to keep this. It feels like such an easy layer to put on, right? So, so cute. All right, so I went to put on the Good American that I had requested, and guess what? This is not them. So these are not even my size. So these are We the Free, and these are a size 25. They have zero stretch, so I couldn't even try to get them on for you. They're just itty bitty and not going to work for me. They are adorable with the unfinished hem and the black wash. The Good American in the picture actually look very similar to this, but Good American usually almost always has stretch. So I'm not going to be able to try these on for you. Sorry about that. But I might check and see if I can't swap them out for the other denim. So kept the Levi's on, and now I have on this uber fun jacket. Check out this trim. Is that not amazing? It's sequiny without feeling like sequins. The inside has the fun sequiny lining right in here as well. It is fully lined. Uber dressy. Put this on with a black tee, a tank, a white tank, and you're going to dress up any outfit. It does have a little slit here in the back. Covers the tushy. Looks great with denim. I think you could wear this for all things. You wouldn't have to wear this for a fancy event. Has one button, but it would be perfect for that. Put it over a dress. Super cute, right? I really like this. Adorable. All right, so the Good American, I was supposed to get the Good Classic Slim Straight. So just to keep you informed, I ordered a size 2. They retail for $139. It would have been $115, 17% off if I wanted to keep them. I don't have pricing for the Free People jeans. For this Reiss Alexia wool blend blazer jacket, it says wool blend, but this is a thin material, nothing making me itchy. It feels really good on. I'm wearing a size 2. It retails for $495. If I wanted to keep it, I'd get 70% off. It would be $149. And we are down to the last item. Let's do it. Final item. This is the Ponte knit cropped blazer. So it is hitting me here, a good, 2 inches above my waist. It is 3/4 sleeve. Hopefully you can see that because I also have the black shirt on, so it's stopping right here. It does have stretch to it. I like the little collar here, so I'm wearing it with the V-neck. It actually looks like there's a little cutout. This is super cute. I like this. And it's a really, really nice weight, the perfect topper. It's called the Nora Gardner Cropped Ponte Knit Blazer. I'm wearing a size 2. It retails for $288. If I wanted to keep it, I'd get 41% off, $170. And that's all my pieces. Do you have a favorite? What'd you think? This one is so cute, right? Like, so easy. Again, like a fun little topper. So if you have to work from home, you could grab any of these jackets and throw it over a t-shirt and you look ready for a Zoom meeting, right? It's perfect. I will list all of these items down below in case you would like to add any of them to your case. I'll put all the information for Armoire down below as well in case you'd like to give this amazing service a try. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were. Do you think I should add any of these items to my closet? Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.